Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So, today from Standard 7 English Medium, Unit 7. In this unit, the chapter name is Vita Wonka. Okay, I have completed this chapter. Now comes to the MCQ. MCQ number 1. Willy Wonka's next challenge was number 1. Willy Wonka next challenge was option A, invention of Wonkawit. Option B, invention of Willywit. Option C, the invention of Vita Wonk. And option D, the invention of Vita Wit. So what is the answer? So the correct answer is option C, the invention of Vita Wonk. Willy Wonk's next challenge. What is the next challenge was Willy Wonk? The invention of Vita Wonk. Comes to the second. Willy was not happy with what? Not happy with Wonkawit, Willywit, Wonkawita, and Vita Wit. So Willy was not happy with what? Option A is the correct answer, Wonka Wit. That was not happy at all. Now comes to number 3. The invention of Vita Wonk. Option A, made people young, made people old, made people disappear, and made people live 500 years. The invention of Vita Wonk, what? Made people old. That was his invention. Made people old. Now comes to the next MCQs. Here. Willy Wonk. Willy Wonka had to take what? He had to take old and ancient animals, old trees, an important little bit of something from them, and only the essence of the pine. So Willy Wonka had to take, here given the abstract, I take down very old and ancient animals and took an important little bit of something from each one of them. So what is the correct answer? Option C is the correct answer. An important little bit of something from them. Okay, comes to second. The track down process became speedier due to what? Charlie, the inventing room, the great glass elevator, and Willy Wonka. So option C, the great glass elevator is the correct answer. Then the process in it, okay, becomes speedier due to what? Due to the great glass elevator. Now comes to number 3. The wonder was possible only. The wonder was possible only if Charlie helped Willy, if all the important little bit was mixed, if all animals were very old, if it was heated. So option B is the correct answer. If all the important little bit was mixed, whatever he collected that was mixed with all it. Okay, so option B is the correct answer. Now comes to this, an extract. An extract is addressed to, this extract is addressed to whom? Charlie, the cook, Willy, the volunteer. Here, and thus, my dear Charlie. And thus, my dear Charlie was Vita Wonk invented. So this is addressed to whom? My dear Charlie. Dear Charlie means addressed to Charlie. Number 2, Vita Wonk was invented. Vita Wonk was invented. Option easily, hurriedly, after great labor, and not to help the people grow old. So what is the correct answer? Vita Wonk was invented after a great labor. Okay. After a great labor, Vita Wong was invented. Now, third, Vita Wong is a wonderful drug, not going to be successful, a race amongst the people, or very expensive. So Vita Wong was a wonderful drug. Wonderful drug. That was the correct answer. Then comes to next. Here, objective type questions. Vita Wong. Vita Wong makes people grow. Option 1, paler, older, younger, or brighter. So Vita Wong makes people what? Makes people older. Not young, but older. Number second, 87 means. 87 means what? That after 87 years, man will become zero. That man will disappear from earth. That man will disappear from earth totally. A man will arrive on earth after 87 years. So option 4 is the correct answer. After he invented this, 87 means he will arrive on earth after 87 years. Not before, but after 87 years. Okay, number third. The oldest living thing in the world is what? Douglas fir, the oak, Bristol pine, and the cedar. So the oldest living thing in the world is Bristol pine. That is the oldest tree, living thing. Okay, now comes to number 4. Here, the oldest thing that are mentioned are factual, hypothetical, imaginary, or realistic. So the oldest thing that are mentioned are not factual, but it was only imaginary. Okay, number 5th. Mr. Wonka collects items from the oldest things to make mixture, a solution, a drug, or an experiment. Wonka collects items from the oldest thing to make what? Mixture? No, that drug. Already mentioned before that in the as MCQ, drug. The drug will not work as, number 6, the drug will not work as. No one wishes to grow old. It is poison. It is bitter. It is dangerous for children. So this drug will not work as who? No one wishes to grow old. That was. No one wishes to grow old. The drug will not work as. No one wishes to grow old. Comes to 7. The life expectancy of man is, life imaginary, okay, 50, 80 years, 80, 100 years, 60, 90 years, 80, 90 years. So the life expectancy of man is, option 2nd is the correct, 80 to 100 years. Expectancy 80 to 100 years. Number 8, Mr. Wonka took blank from Bristol pipe. What he collect from Bristol pine? A pint of salt, a pint of sap, a pinch of sap, a pinch of salt. So Mr. Wonka took a pint of sap from Bristol pine. Number 9, Mr. Wonka got from Arabia. Mr. Wonka what got from Arabia? 51-year-old horse, 10-year-old dog, 100-year-old dog, and Vita Wong. Mr. Wonka got from Arabia what? 51-year-old horse. Now number 10, last one. Mr. Wonka got from Tibet. What he got from Tibet? A medal, 207-year-old rat, 500-year-old flower or a rare dog? So Mr. Wonka got from Tibet what? 207-year-old rat. That is the correct answer. So these are the MCQs of this unit 7. I hope you understand about it and write it in your notebook. Thank you.